Hello, chaps. I'm Harry Potter.
Hello, I'm Ronald Weasley.
Good day, my friend. I'm Hermione.
Dobster, oh doubles. The night that you did doubles was the night that made me cry for bottles. You were the man I loved so much. But when Belchick snapped that knife, I was out of touch. Out of touch from me, Harry Potter. My parents are dead. In the Chamber of Secrets, you sat on my bed, and you tried to worm your poor little head. But now you're gone.
Hello, I'm Ronald Weasley. I don't know you that well, Dobby, but if I were to see you in a hotel lobby, I would say, hello there, friend. I'm sad that this is the end of the bend. You really had set the trend of saving my best friend Fred, Harry Potter. He's sometimes a slow, lazy trotter. The time is now to say these words. To me, you are like a flock of birds flying high with those floppy ears. Oh no, I feel
You're
the
so
tears.
kind, so innocent and kind. If I had my way, Bellatrix will soon be in a bind. I tried all the spells, flippity-floppity flume, but now is the end of your bloom. You were so sweet, so pure, and if it weren't for you, my friends would be dead. As I laid you in the grave, I saw you as a great, gallant knave. A knave that fought hard and long, and for you we devote this song.
Ode